Welcome to the Rob Crypto channel once more. Please subscribe, give it a like, leave a comment, share our video, and watch it all the way through to show support for the incredible work being done and to make sure you don't miss any important updates on the Pi network. Are you disappointed that your KYC process is still pending, that you can't complete KYC, or that your application hasn't been validated yet? Then you should watch this video to the end. First and foremost, more KYC validators are required. The quantity of human validators in each country now largely determines the number of successful KYC validations. Therefore, if you have previously had your KYC verified on the Pi network, kindly submit an application to be a validator. The number of pioneers who have been validated expands the pool of potential validators. A lack of validators in your location may be one of the factors contributing to the length of your KYC procedure. The core team has been putting a lot of effort into growing the number of Pi network KYC validators. However, additional steps are required, such as finishing the KYC application procedure and applying to become a validator. Or, to put it another way, pioneers can seek to become validators to assist with KYC once their KYC has been approved. The network first randomly selects a small number of pioneers for KYC each day. Contrary to what some pioneers have been writing to me, they contend that the network maintains randomness by only selecting fresh pioneers for KYC, and ignoring veteran pioneers while queuing work for validators. This is a deliberate system design decision made to prevent validator irregularity. It is simple to increase the number of KYC invites using technology. They would invite everybody if it were an easy event. However, they must first ensure that the large number of invitations does not result in bottlenecks that prevent system bootstrapping and expansion in general. Due to the variety of languages and ID types used around the world, the core team has considerably increased system scaling machine automation and can now handle more Pi network KYC applications than before. Pi network KYC validation is a regional process that depends on the knowledge and experience of regional Pi network KYC validators. As a result, each country or region needs a sufficient number of validators to approve the KYC applications of other pioneers, which attracts more potential validators to the Pi network KYC. Your KYC application can be delayed as a result of the lack of validators in your area. Until there are enough validators from unbootstrapped localities, members of the core team and chat moderators are continuously evaluating KYC applications from those places. The number of bootstrapped countries or regions has increased as a result of these options, helping the system to include those nations or regions that are still developing. With approximately 80% of the world's population represented, the PICO KYC system has so far bootstrapped the human validation workforce across 77 countries and regions. What will the Pi network's KYC look like in the future, along with improvements to user experience and bootstrapping validation? In order to reduce its reliance on human validators, the network will endeavor to improve its validation algorithm so that more work may be automated by computers. This will make it easier to scale the Pi network KYC solution to all pioneers, regardless of location or background. Finally, technical roadblocks are being removed as the Pi network KYC infrastructure is being improved. As a result, the network's capacity for handling KYC applications has greatly risen, and pioneers' enthusiastic involvement helps to maintain the goodwill. If you subscribe, stay tuned for further information. I appreciate your support of my channel by watching, enjoying, commenting, subscribing, and remembering to check back for fresh content.